In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Unturned Life RP. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily find and play inside of Unturned Life RP servers. First, you can do this process fully inside of the game by going over to Play and then Multiplayer, and in here, use the Edit Filters option to find a specific server. So when you go over to Edit Filters, you can type RP or Roleplay into the server name filter, and when you go back, only servers that have included RP in the name will appear. Of course, this is going to be a straightforward way. If you don't want to go into the internet and look for a specific server address, you can browse through all of the servers here and you might be able to find one that satisfies you. For example, here's one, Horizon Life RP, and you will be able to connect this way. Now, alternatively, you can find specific servers by going over to different websites. One of them that I want to highlight here is going to be unturnedroleplay.com. In here, you can click on servers, and this will take you to a page where you have all the addresses for different types of servers. So you have Life Roleplay at the top, which should be the most popular, and then you have Survival Roleplay and other roleplaying. All you have to do is connect to this IP, play.unturnedroleplay.com, at the port 27015. So just open Unturned, and this time you will be able to connect to this server address that is being hosted there. So go into connect directly, include the address here, and you will be good to go. As long as you connect to the server using the address presented there with the right port, you will be able to play Unturned Life RP without any issues. Any server that you connect into, either the ones on the servers list or the one that I showcased through the website, will work to play Life RP, and it is going to be the best experience possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Unturned Life RP. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.